You gotta love Starlink, folks. You gotta love it. You gotta love Starlink. I need to look into this. This is starting to really annoy me. This is what is this? The fourth time we've disconnected so far today? It's unacceptable. Unacceptable. Starlink boo, exactly. Never heard of Starlink? What? You've never heard of Starlink, Trader Chick? Man. I mean, it is, like, I do appreciate Starlink, but... Hey, JJ Trade. Trading with Travis. Yep, my stream crashed, Travis. I'm frustrated right now. This is the fourth time the stream has crashed today. And it's because of Starlink. Starlink, for some reason, just the upload speeds, I feel like, are not consistent enough. And it'll just randomly just completely drop the connection for the upload. It doesn't really affect my download, but my upload causes issues. Very frustrating. Well, and that's the thing. Like, I've never had issues while trading. I've never had any issues with getting fills or anything like that with order fills. It's just the upload speed that streaming where I have issues. But we're back. You trade on a hotspot? My normal internet's trash. That's why I always try and have limits ready. I have a backup internet, but it's a CenturyLink internet and it's terrible. My upload is absolutely terrible. But one thing I'm considering doing, I'm going to start monitoring other people's uploads during the day so that maybe that'll help. My CenturyLink speed, oh man, it's 10 and 1. 10 down, 1 up. And that's on a good day. Usually it's like 0.8. My Verizon speeds, we live like literally 300 feet away from a Verizon tower, a 5G tower. And the Verizon speeds I get is like 500 down and 200 up. Hang on, I got to take this call. We're back. Sorry, I was on the phone. Crypto, guys, is this 90% off a lifetime offer? Crypto, oh, maybe someone already, sorry, yeah, Ron already mentioned it. Yep. 90% off first month, 80% off the following months. Okay, let's see what we do here. Feeling, one big massive push up incoming. Could happen. Could happen. Oh, I'm really actually, man, I'm kind of tired all of a sudden. Oh. Thinking about ending stream here. I'm going to wait, see what this price does. We could get an entry right here. But, man, I need a nap. Feeling tired. You just did 10 push-ups. Oh, man, that hurts me. I should do that. We should make a rule here. If I have a losing trade, I have to do 10 push-ups. Imagine how ripped I would be in like a year. I'd be like the Hulk. I would go on a massive win streak. I mean, it's kind of a win-win situation. If I win, it's great. If I lose, at least I'll be ripped. Kind of a good plan. Kind of a good plan. Do a day in the life of video. I keep thinking I really want to do a day in the life of Nutty Bar Trading. Like it would not be a normal video. It would be like a spoof video for how everyone else. I always like everyone is like, you know, they got their nice fancy cars, everything's so nice, and you know, and here my day would be like rolling out of bed, getting some coffee, a Nutty Bar, getting in my rusty old truck, and it would be hilarious. I should do one. I've asked my wife has made it very, very clear to me. She's very supportive of what I'm doing. Okay. She made it very clear to me. She will not be on video. It's like, no, I am not going to be on video. Unfortunate. PPI tomorrow. Yeah, I see that. 8:30 tomorrow again. I'm not sure. So tomorrow I'm going to have a little bit of a, maybe we will do an early stream again. Hey, Doug, how we doing? Maybe we will do an early stream because I can only stream till about 12:30. I can only stream till about 12:30 tomorrow. And then I have to go run some errands. Oh, where is Little Nutty been, Doug? Now I get what you mean. He's been asking about you guys. He really enjoyed talking to you guys that one over the lunch hour. And if I have to go make a run again and I told him if he wants to come chat it up, he's more than welcome. So, maybe I should get him to come in and entertain you guys, and then I can go take a nap. Right now, I'm tired. He is adorable. I agree. He definitely got that from his mother. Hang on, I got to take this call again. Okay, I'm back. Okay, we are only looking long now. This thing just turned green. We had an entry there possibly, but then it didn't trigger. So let's see if we trigger this now. Nope, still nothing. And still nothing. Ooh, there was close. No cigar. Still nothing. Hey, hey, Lawrence. Hi again. uh, feels bad. Hopefully this stream will last until 4. If I last that long. Right now I'm kind of tired. I've been debating about going and taking a nap. If we get this set up, man, it's just not giving me any signal here. Still nothing. Still nothing. We're only looking for longs. Only looking to go long here. What is this? What is this? Okay, now we can still get in if we can get a trapped order here. Just not seeing nothing. Very choppy. Very choppy. Yeah, the MA is green. We have just turned green. That's why we're only looking for longs. Oh, and we have our first signal. If we close up, we're in. And we did not close up. This is, again, very choppy here. Something to make note of. Okay, now let's see what happens. Gotta get back into this thing. And oh, if we close up, we're in. And we didn't. Close up, we're in. Gotta close up. No! I hate you! We gotta trade ES. This is unbelievable. Again, did not get filled. I'm gonna leave this where it is, and if I get filled, great. If not, I'm not gonna leave it here too long though. All right, I'm gonna look for another entry. If we get another entry, we'll give it a shot. That's frustrating though. We would have hit our first profit target already if it would have filled me. That's frustrating. Maybe we'll get another entry here, maybe. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're in if this closes up. Nope. Nope. And now we wait. Well, I guess now we're I guess now we're looking for shorts. This is kind of crazy. We just turned red. Nothing happening now. Okay, we got to pay attention here. Could have a short entry. Looking short. But we might not get there. Okay, let's see. We close down. We're in. And we're in. Come on, fill me. We were 2 ticks away. All right, there we go. We love to see it. Now, this is a super aggressive take profit again, but on the runner, but here we are. Just following the rules. Okay. I'd be shocked. I would be shocked if we hit my profit target here before my stop loss before the end of the day. That would be amazing. That would be amazing. And there it is. I guess that didn't take long. Another runner to the wayside. But we were never in much profit on that runner. We were pretty much, I think it was 36 ticks in profit at the most. So it is what it is. It's all good. It's all good. Looks like this thing wants to... So now we're green again. Man, I've taken a lot of trades today. We could get another trade right here. If we come down and have a trapped order right here, we just need a trapped order and we're in. So let's wait and see. Okay. Oh, here we go. Nope, nothing. Still nothing. Still nothing. Nothing. What is a trapped order? Basically, right here on the footprint chart, it will show a trapped order. Basically, when the price moves really fast, it traps, like right here, the buyer got... So there's way more buyers right here than sellers. and then the price moved against them right away. That's kind of the gist of it. Okay, still possible entry here. Hey, Eric. Let's go. Nicely done. Well, I hope you're not taking a trade just because I took it. Please don't do that. You'll lose more than you'll win, I'm afraid. But if you choose at your own discretion, I guess. I'm glad that it worked. I'm happy it worked. Okay, let's see what we do here. Okay, hang on. Da-dum. Still nothing. You have a live account with NinjaTrader, right? Yes. You can connect Aplex plus a live account to get. Oh, no, Lauren. Sorry. I don't know if you can do that or not, but my live account is on Quant Tower. So I guess I'm not sure, Lawrence. I'm not sure. I know you can still. I'm sure you can connect. You would just have to disconnect from one and then connect to the live account. I'm pretty sure that would work. I haven't personally tested it, but I'm pretty sure that would work. You saw a video where you connected it together. Really? I'm not sure. You'd have to disconnect from one and then connect to the other one. Yes. But you can't connect to both at the same time with NinjaTrader. Right. You mean with a live account. Right. I know what you mean, I think. But no, I don't. Not at the same time. That I'm aware of anyway. Okay. Yes, Patient Trader. If you have the multi-broker license from NinjaTrader, which would require, I think, the full license to do that. Yes, Patient Trader. You're right. Which is pretty expensive, but yeah, I've considered doing that. Yeah, I know exactly, Lawrence. It's kind of expensive, and right. Just no setups here yet. Looks like we're going higher. It is what it is. Just did not get a setup. I was hoping we would, but we didn't. The lifetime license you can get better commissions, I think. Yeah. Quit while you're ahead. Good deal, up man. Nicely done. All right, let's see what we do here. See if we come back and test this zone. Oh, okay, Anonymous Giraffe. That, by the way, nice name. I like that. Yeah, so if you have it, that would definitely be the benefit of having the lifetime fee, the lifetime ninja license. Yeah. Yeah, Tom, you can do that too. Just have a separate PC and, but it's still just a little bit more cumbersome that way. Hey, what's up, Beams of Supreme Lightness? What are we doing? How we doing? I want to just look at ES a little bit. ES has just so much more volume. We would have had a long entry right here. We would have had a long entry right here. Lots of trapped orders triggering. Man, the volume on ES is just 10 times more than NQ. Crazy. Hey, Beams of Supreme Light, 700 away. Nicely done. Nicely done. That's awesome. Just take it easy. Take it slow. I always, the closer I get, I always scale down quite a bit. And it's okay to wait a day. You have to trade for 7 days anyway, so don't force things. Just, if you're not feeling it, walk away and trade it the next day. That's sometimes the best move on evals if you're getting really close to passing them. Unless it's like the last day of getting rebuild. then you YOLO it. It's the only time I say YOLO it. I know a lot of people also just, yeah, I don't want to mention names, but people get 20 eval accounts and then they just YOLO it on the news. And that's how they pass their 20, 50K evals. I'm like, hey, I guess whatever floats your boat. If it works, it works. It's not what I would recommend, though. Okay, we have a possible... Actually, never mind. We're not looking to... We could have a short here, but... We shall wait. Yeah, the drawdown, entity drawdown is definitely better. Again, I've gone over this before, but why do you guys like Apex over Top Step? Rob, my main things would be, again, this is going to be my personal opinion, but the fact that you can have 20 accounts, I think that's a big thing. And then the second is the fact that they offer really nice discounts, 90% off, 80% off. Your cost to enter is really low, which I think is important, especially for new traders. Keep that entry cost as low as possible. Hang on, I gotta watch this thing move. So, and then for me personally, I think, hang on. Actually, never mind. I want to see this get out. But yeah, for me personally, I think it's better to, I don't know. So here, there's pros and cons to the intraday trailing drawdown versus the end of day drawdown. Okay, now I want you to listen closely because the end of day drawdown is always better, but the end of day drawdown always comes with a daily loss limit. So with an intraday trailing drawdown, that intraday trailing drawdown goes away once you're funded and you've reached your profit threshold. That intraday trailing drawdown goes away. So then you have an account with no daily loss limit. And the more you grow that account, the more wiggle room you create for yourself. It allows you to scale up more, gives you more freedom in the end. Now, until you, during the evaluation and until that trailing drawdown goes away, then it is a nuisance. And I would prefer not to have it. But if I was to choose between I have to have an end of day drawdown and a daily loss limit or an intraday trailing drawdown, I personally would pick the intraday trailing drawdown without the daily loss limit. Because it allows you more freedom once you surpass the profit threshold. But again, to each his own. And then the other reason I don't like Top Step is their payout. Their payout policy, I still don't. I think it's better than it was, but the whole switching you to a live account, that's total BS, which we discovered yesterday. So on a Top Step account, if you're on the Top Step Express funded account, you have the 50K account, you grow that balance to 100K, you have 50K of profit. And if Top Step calls you and says, hey, we want you to come over to a live account, you have the funds that you get for the live account is only your profits from your Express funded account. They don't provide you any additional capital. So you basically have a 50K account and you're trading it with Top Step through their live account, but you're sharing 10% of your profits with them and they're assuming no risk. Like they don't have any risk at all and you're taking on all the risk, yet you're sharing 10% of your profits. Makes no sense. Makes no sense to do a live account with Top Step. You would be better off just withdrawing all that money, which, oh wait, you can only withdraw 50% of it unless you have 30 total winning days of $200, which you should have by that time. But that whole thing is a little bit weird. I would be shocked if Top Step has anyone live trading for them. I would be shocked. And and for you ask, that's not how other prop firms do it. Do your orders from the PA account show up on the order book? Addy B, no. When you're in a PA account, same as an Express funded account, you are on a SIM account. Is something wrong, Russ? Everything all right, Russ? You want to talk about it? You want to talk about it? You want to tell me that I'm wrong? You want to tell me that I'm wrong? Go for it. I know you like Top Step, and that's totally fine. But why is that silly? Why would Why would someone ever go to a live account with Top Step? Why? Talk to me, Russ. Talk to me. I didn't believe that is how they operate either. I didn't believe it either until I looked into it, and actually it is true. Which is kind of sad. Why would someone want to trade live? Like, they offer zero benefit to trading live. You take all the risk. You have to take all the profits from your express funded account. That is the only collateral. That is the only funds you have available to trade on that live account. Why would you do that? Why would you not just withdraw it, trade your own money, trade your own account, and keep the full 100% of your funds? Right, and you don't have a choice. But here's the thing, Russ. With a prop firm, for example, with Apex, let's say you become consistently profitable, same scenario, and you have a 100K account. You've grown a 50K account to 100K, so you have $50,000 in profit. Apex calls you and they tell you, hey, we want to move you to our funded account, right? Or not funded. We want to move you to our live account, correct? Well, that's great. With Apex, they will, if you had a 50K account, you have a $2,500 drawdown. Apex will supply you and give you those funds for your drawdown. So they will, you start fresh. You withdraw all your profits from your funded account, and then you start your live account fresh, which makes it a benefit to do it, because you are actually trading Apex's money. With Top Step, you're just trading your own profits. With Apex, you're actually trading their money. So there's a huge difference there. And it shows me that Top Step really doesn't want anyone trading for them. They don't want any live traders. They just want to go through the express funded accounts. I mean, again, I didn't even believe this right when I first was told of it, but this is exactly how it's spelled out in their terms and conditions. We went over this yesterday. We had a lot of people disagreeing, and it has been proven that is actually the case. It sounds like I'm just trying to promote Apex. I mean, if you want to think that, that's fine. Show me where it says, Eddie, unfortunately, that's the truth. Top Step on a live account, you only trade with your profits. They provide no additional collateral. Okay? With Apex, once you trade and transition to a live account, they provide you the collateral of the account size, whatever that drawdown was. So there's a big difference there. There is a big difference between the two. And if you think that is no difference and that's just the same thing, then I can't help you. Yeah, Apex made, say again, Russ? Apex made huge amounts off enrollment and resets. Correct. Yes. I'm not debating that. That's not that's not what we're talking about. Obviously, they make most of their funds from resets, from evaluation accounts, from the PA activation fees. Yes, 100%. That's not even what we're talking about, though. you start with $0 in your account. Russ, no. But you have a drawdown. When you purchase an evaluation account, you start with $0, but you have a drawdown. That drawdown amount is your leverage. Like that is the funds that you start with. Russell, that's my point. In a live account, you start with $0 and your only drawdown is your profits that you bring over from your express funded account. Okay? That's my point, Russ. You're just bringing over your profits from your express funded account, and that is what you're using for your margins. Top Step isn't providing any margins. You're just using your profits. I mean, for example, when you start with an express funded account on Top Step, your account balance is $0, right? But you have a drawdown where you can, you lose $2,000 or $1,000, if you know what I mean. Like, so again, why would someone ever go live with Top Step with it the way they currently have it? Yeah, Beams of Supreme Lightness. We verified it yesterday. It is actually on their terms and conditions on Top Step and with Apex that no, you start with a fresh account. Have I had a payout with Apex yet, Sammy? No, I have not. Is PW still on Express? Yeah, of course he is. But again, like, I feel like, Russ, you're not even understanding what I'm saying. Right, Rob. And I get that, Rob. If that's your goal, like, that's fine. And I think that's fair. But here's the problem. When prop firms present, they present it to the public like their main objective is, for example, Top Step repeatedly said in the podcast that I think it's Mike, his name, that he repeatedly was going off about how they are wanting to get good traders. And like that is the main objective from them, that they want their own prop firm of traders where they're trading their live money. And with their current rules in place, there would be zero motivation for anyone to trade live with them. Zero. Unless you just like giving away 10% of your profits. With Apex, that's different. That is not the same. With Apex, if you switch to a live account, you start fresh and they provide collateral and capital for whatever dollar amount your drawdown was on that account. So if you had 20, 50K accounts, they're going to provide you with $50,000 of collateral to trade as your live account. With Top Step, the only collateral you have is the profits that you obtained from your express funded account. Yes, I did, Kyle. Yes. You would pull all your profits from Apex, from your funded accounts, and then you go live, and with the whatever that drawdown threshold is, that is your collateral or funds. But yes, Kyle, we did. I know you were here yesterday, at least for part of the discussion. But yes, we did verify that. So for Apex, you get Yes, they combine that into, I think they gave you different options, but they combine the drawdown into one account. I am verifying that portion of it where I want to get further, a little bit better clarity on that specific part, but and yeah, like Scott Castle, who cares about the live account or not? If you're making money and getting paid, the other stuff don't matter. And in a sense, you're right, but it does matter. And when regulations start coming into this business, and that is how they're operating, that is how regulations and stuff will shut this down, because they're really not truly wanting to get good traders. And that's the whole issue behind it. Like, it will cause issues, and it's just not okay. Like, we as traders, I don't care what prop firm you're with or whatever, we should not be okay with that. We shouldn't. Like, even though it probably won't affect, it'll only affect like 0.05% of us, it's still not okay. It's manipulative marketing. Yeah, Jay Victor, he did mention that, but he also mentioned that you can combine it into one account if you want. I don't know where Russ went, or Russ disappeared. No, but I don't know. It's another thing that I would be shocked if most people understood this, that were, I don't know, just doesn't seem. I'd love to interview that Mike from Top Step. Hey, you're still here, Russ. Okay. But Russ, do you understand the difference between the two? Like, do you understand that there's a big difference between what, like, understand there's a difference? Yeah, Jay Victor, you're right. I agree. I mean, we're buying on a 50K account, we have a $2,500 account. I understand. But there's like, this is happening not just from Top Step. This is happening from Apex, and every prop firm is kind of that way in a sense. And it also bothers me. I'm using Somatic. What, like how, Russ? I'm not sure why you would. I don't understand why you would think that. Like, that is how it is. Prop firms know that there will be more losers than winners. Exactly, Travis. Exactly. Which is fine. Like, I have no problem with prop firms making most of their money off of failed evals and blown PA accounts. Like, I don't even have a problem with that. I think that's just part of the game. Like, if you go into the real market, you're also 95% of people are going to lose money. That's just part of it. And technically, with prop firms, they offer you the ability to lose less money as you learn, is how I look at it. But I just feel like they have to. Travis has both Apex and Top Step. Russell, newsflash. I have Top Step and Apex. Okay. I use both. Okay. Like, I'm not against it, but what I am against is this. For example, their 50% payout policy. That is BS. Completely. I cannot believe that Top Step got away with that for so long. Like, you really couldn't withdraw more than 50% of your profits ever. Like, how were people okay with that? Like, there is no part of us that should be okay with that. Yet they they just did it. And that's really the same thing with trading and transferring to a live account. when you transfer to a live account, Top Step should be taking some risk because they just said they want to find the best traders. Once you get offered a live account, now you have found the best trader out of maybe 1,000. Why would you not want to give that person collateral and have them trade for you? Why? David Wren, that's just not true. We verified that. That is not true. That is the case with Top Step, but that is not true with Apex. Right. And Michael B, like, I get that part. I'm saying more like over the course before they made this rule change, regardless how much money you made, you can never withdraw more than 50% of your profits. So and that is a lot. Like, ask people that have made hundreds, 200s, 300,000 with Apex if that doesn't matter. Like, once you get past the 3 months of withdrawals with Apex, you have unlimited. You can withdraw as much as you want. Like, ask those people if that doesn't make a difference. I'm wrong, David Wren. Prove it. I mean, I have the proof that it's not, but go ahead. Send me an email and prove it. No, I'm not missing any entries. You would rather take the 50% withdrawal rule, and I'm fine. Like, people want to keep some in their account, but this is for the people that want to grow their account as much as possible and then withdraw those funds to trade on their own. Like, that's the issue. Like, if you want to do that, then you couldn't. That ain't right. Yeah, maybe it only affects a couple people that look at it that way, but that's still not okay. Yeah, exactly, Kyle. Yeah, agreed. Because if I would have an account and I would grow that balance to 100K or so, and then and then my plan was, hey, I want to take out this money and just trade on my own. I don't want to keep sharing 10% of my profits with Top Step. And then you're like, well, too bad. You can only take out half. Like, and you think that's okay? No, that's money you made. You should have full access to it. That's BS. I can't believe I have to even say this. Yes, the murder bot in 4 minutes. That is what is important. Let us not be distracted. Not necessarily, Scott. I mean, it depends on when you make the request. Yes. Well, here's the thing, Russ. If you close an account, this is how it used to be, Russ. It is not like this anymore. But when you closed an account, they would only give you 50% of your profits. It was in their terms and service and conditions. Go watch the video. I literally show it. Yes, a drawdown studio. Yes. So again, I shouldn't maybe even be talking about this because this is a hypothetical of before they made that change. So before they made the change, you couldn't take out 100%. Now they made the change that you can take out 100% of your profits, but you have to have 30 days of $200 in profit or more. So you have to have that accumulated 30 days, which I think it's great that at least you have a path for doing so. So that's what matters. All right, Murderbot in 2 minutes. Murderbot in 2 minutes. I'm going to predict Murderbot is going to go down today. Yes, Drawdown Studio. And again, like I was saying, I feel like that's, I don't know, but at least there is a plan. At least they have something in place where you can withdraw 100%. That is very important. And they provided that, and I give them credit for doing that. But again, how many years was it like that? That people were just okay with it just boggles my mind. All right, Murderbot. Murderbot in 1 minute. Everybody get ready. Does anybody trade the Murderbot? Yeah, trading with Travis. Trust me. Kyle and Cartier are two people that trade ICT that are cool. Those two are cool. Others, I'm not going to vouch for. But we are not going to talk about ICT, okay? We have gone down that rabbit hole way too many times. 30 seconds. Everybody get ready. Everybody get ready. Oh, you call it Saved by the Bell? Oh, you're long now, Methodical Man? Are you going to take this Murderbot? Take the Murderbot trade? I'm going to go long 15 contracts on all 14 funded accounts. Let's see what happens. It can save you or destroy you. Boom, there it went. Oh, I missed the timing. Daggone it. But there she went. There she blew. Murderbot activated. Wasn't too crazy actually today. Yeah, exactly, patient trader. Murderbot was pretty tame. Pretty tame today. I don't know what that means, but I guess we'll take it. All right, boys and girls, men, ladies. Right or wrong, prop firms are a great avenue for any trader who have not been able to exactly DL 100%. Maybe I'm probably being picky and for again, like what I'm talking about only affects like 0.05% of people, so maybe it doesn't matter. But no, what prop firms offer is awesome. Okay. What I would really, really hate to see happen is if some kind of regulation would come into this industry and some prop firms being a little bit shady, making it really, really bad for everyone else. That is what I don't want, but I agree 100%. Anyway, that's it, folks. Thank you for tuning in today. Thanks for sitting through my, what did we have? Four streams that went down today. Had to restart stream 4 times today. Ugh. I am probably going to stream early again tomorrow. And then I have to end stream a little bit early. I probably can only stream till like noon tomorrow. So we'll be here before 8:30 we'll watch the PMI numbers. I think it's PMI, right? PPI. We'll watch the PPI numbers come out, and we'll go from there. But all right, everybody. Take care, everybody. Hey, I will. Oh, okay. Cool, Travis. Cool. I need to check that out. I need to do that. All right. Take care, everybody. And have a great rest of your night. And God bless.